What is API?
So API is a cloud-based program which allows the transmission of information directly from the retailer site to your warehouse management system. It gives you the ability to connect your online store to whatever shipping software you're using. It uses a modern internet-based connection method, which can be basically realized from anywhere in the simplest possible method possible. It allows you to transition the information that your purchase orders have, the invoices associated with those purchase orders, the tracking of your inventory levels between your online retail warehouse and your brick and mortar hard warehouse. It allows for the sending of receipt notices, shipping notices, tracking numbers directly to your end users, in a medium that allows for two-way communication between these two software platforms continuously, and it's an immediate thing. So if I were to go onto your retail.com website and order the product, that order transitions directly to your warehouse management software for your fulfillment center immediately in real time.